Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to mirror and control your Windows PC or laptop screen to your Android tablet. So as you can see guys, I have this Android tablet. Just I want to mirror my laptop screen here and I want to use it wirelessly and control it. Okay, so for this guys, you need to install the application on your Android tablet and your laptop as well. On your laptop, just open any web browser and in the Google you need to search a power mirror screen. Okay, just open it and download and install this application. So this is very lightweight and free tool. Okay, after download, just you need to install it. So I have already installed it. After installing, just double click and open it. Now what you need to do guys, you need to remember one thing. You need to connect your laptop and your tablet with the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, and then on your phone you need to install one application. You need to open the Play Store on your Android tablet and just you need to install this a power mirror and control. Okay, and download and install it. After download and install, open this application on your tablet. Now what you need to do, in your PC select wireless connection like this, and here you need to select the I am sender, and your Android tablet just tap on cast like this, and here you need to select receive a screen, just tap on tap to view. Okay, and here you can get one QR code and local cast code. Just need to enter this 0003 here in your PC and then hit enter from your keyboard. That's it. Now it will quickly mirror your PC laptop screen to your Android phone tablet, as you can see guys. So from your tablet you can easily able to control and open any files folder wirelessly from your tablet. As you can see guys, from my tablet I have opened this PC, so the same screen was open in my laptop as well. So if you want to open any file, so just double click on it like this. Now it will open very smoothly, as you can see guys. Okay, so I will minimize it. Okay, I will open the start menu. So whatever I am opening, the file folder or any option setting was opening very smoothly. So if you have a wireless mouse with you, so you can connect the wireless mouse to your tablet as well and control your PC laptop screen very smoothly. So in case sometime what happened, the while screen mirroring, the screen was properly not mirrored to your tablet. So at that time guys, first you need to disconnect it, and here you need to open the PC mirror setting in the a power mirroring app. Okay, like this. Open it. From here you need to select color setting standard. Okay, or you need to restore the setting to default. So in your laptop, what you need to do, you need to open your settings, go to system like this, go to display settings, and in the display setting just you need to change the scale and display resolution, or you need to select recommended settings from here and disconnect the tablet and laptop or PC one time after disconnecting and try to connect it back. Now it will work very fine and smoothly. Okay, so this is the way to mirror your laptop or PC screen to your Android tablet and control it wirelessly, okay, for free. So that's for today guys, a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.